Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. So it's morning 5:30 and I have come to the ground floor. I'm done with my hygiene routine, and as we all know that waking up early can make us more productive, and also we can focus on ourselves also. So after organizing my living area, I'm going to make Adi's tiffin, and today I'm giving him milk oats and fried aloo along with fruits and dry fruits. I have soaked the oats in milk for few minutes, and once it is cooked, I've added the crushed nut and sugar. In the fried potatoes, I have just added the black pepper and salt. In the breakfast, I am making vada pav because today my husband is working from home and I do have more time to prepare it. I'm adding the mustard oil in kadai, and then I'll add the rai, curry leaf, chili garlic paste, and once it is cooked for half minute, then I'm adding the turmeric powder and salt and boiled potatoes. Once aloo mixture is done, I will make the besan mixture. I have just taken the besan, water, salt and turmeric powder. Now spicy tasty vada pav is ready and we are going to have our breakfast. So it's the afternoon time and I'm going to make the chilla. This is the leftover from vada pav mixture. So I'm just adding the vegetable what I have. So one making with cheese. Adi loves eating dry things like chile, vada, puri, etc. So today he is going to be happy. He will be back in few minutes. Now the lunch is ready and husband is out for some work. Me and Adi is going to have it. So you can see that Adi is so happy, and there is no greater joy than seeing our child happy, isn't it? Now I'm making best out of waste from the cardboard. I'm using cardboard, mirror sticker, fabric and some decor items. I'm pasting this silk fabric on this cardboard, and once it is pasted on this cardboard, I am going to stick this mirror sticker in middle part. This is small Ganeshji from wedding card, so thought to use it in this wall hanging. Wall hanging is ready and you can see this. Yeah, little finishing is required. I'll do this on weekend when I have time. So you can see this. I'm sure you will like it. Now we are going to Shahberi market, which is famous for furniture and decor items. Today I am taking the table lamp for my living area. We have taken this beige table lamp and I am going to decorate this lamp on my console table, which is just next to sofa. because I was thinking from past few days that that one table lamp is required to this table. So I'm sure you will like this. This table lamp makes me smile because my husband always jokes that I harass him by making him go to Shaberi market with me because he don't like going crowded place. So now you can see the night view of living area, and this table lamp has enhances the beauty of this area. Now the laundry work is done and I'm going to make the dinner. So in the market we had some chutur putur things, and husband asked to make some light dinner. I'm making carrot, tomato, spinach soup and saute paneer. So the soup recipe is very simple. I've just boiled the vegetables and then grind and strained it. I'm making the tadka. I have added the small cube of butter and then added the ginger, garlic and onion. Once it is stir fried for half minute, then I have added this grinded vegetable mixture, and then adding the black pepper, salt and oats flour. Once it is cooked for 1 minute, then you can garnish with coriander leaf and small cube of butter. If you have liked my content, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Meet you in next video. Till then, bye bye.